Hi, I am Tanbir Masood. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your existing channel, these tips will help you grow and thrive on the platform. Number 1. Identifying your niche. First things first, focus on a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create content that's both engaging and authentic. Choosing a niche helps you target a specific audience and makes it easier to stand out in a crowded space. Number 2. Creating high quality content. Cut to a montage of the YouTuber setting up lighting, using a high quality camera and editing videos on a computer. Quality matters. Invest in good equipment and software to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Remember, content is king, but quality is queen. High quality content keeps viewers coming back and encourages them to share your videos with others. Number 3. Consistent upload schedule. Cut to a calendar with a regular upload schedule highlighted. The YouTuber is marking the dates with a pen. Consistency is key. Develop a regular upload schedule and stick to it. This helps build a loyal audience who knows when to expect new content. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and can improve your channel's performance in YouTube's algorithm. Number 4. Engaging with your audience. Engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers. This builds a community and fosters loyalty. Engaging with your audience shows that you value their input and helps build a strong community around your channel. Number 5. SEO and Thumbnails. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords, create compelling titles, and design eye-catching thumbnails. This improves your video's visibility and attracts more viewers. Number 6. Analyzing performance. Track your performance. Use YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on this data to continually improve your content. Regularly analyzing your performance helps you stay on track and ensures you're meeting your goals. Success on YouTube takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. Happy creating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on succeeding on YouTube. Follow us for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.